Hello there, my name is Angel. I am friendly and enthusiastic teacher from Philippines. I am certified to teach English as a foreign language and I specialize helping students of all levels to become confident in readers, writers, and even speakers. My class is full of fun and energy. We sing a song like Hello, 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 how are you? And that's our favorite song. You. And play games that can help practice your English skills in fun and engaging way. I'll use clear explanation and real life example to make learning English easy and enjoyable. If you do a great job, teacher will give you a reward like ice cream, pizza, cupcake, and more. So after our session, you can expect to feel more confident in speaking in English and ready to use your new skills in everyday situations. So what are you waiting for? Book now your English learning adventure with me today. See you soon. Bye-bye.